Morning, Michael.
Hey, Shivan, morning, busy man.
Man, I come to get product here today, boy.
What product is that, boy?
And you pass and check me now, boy.
Yeah.
I want to that customer garden, boy. Mites, more cricket, worms, all kind of things. But he tell me it's the Carlsen machine gun. But the name started E. I can't remember the name.
The Carlsen machine gun.
Yeah, that's what you refer to it as. But it started E. I can't remember the name.
You're talking about F3 Plus.
That is the name.
This is the Carlsen machine gun. Take a look. Right? This is the Carlsen machine gun, people. When all they want to know about the Carlsen machine gun, this is it. Alright? Now, mites, mole cricket, worms, ants, aphids, thrips, whiteflies, locusts, the list goes on. F3 Plus is broad spectrum. So, them 3 pests you call out, you're controlling much more than that with the F3 Plus.
Well, look at that. I learned something here too.
Yeah.
But, Michael, this expensive?
No, F3 Plus is not expensive. Right? And F3 Plus is very, very effective, as I say, it's broad spectrum for all the insects, the worms, locusts, all them pests that give you trouble in the garden. F3 for them. And why we call it the machine gun? Because it kills on contact and stomach poison.
Joe.
Yes. And F3 is available at all your favorite agro shops nationwide. People right now, Shivan, we have a special running on the 250 ml F3 Plus. On this size especially, we have a 250 ml F3 Plus special on all the agro shops available nationwide. Yes, they come in time. And let me tell you something. If you're doing home gardening to people, F3. If you're doing gardening on a commercial basis, F3.
I can't blow them and pest on them today in my garden.
That's the machine gun.
That's again my car.
All the best, eh?
Yeah, man, take care.